हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू ओट्रीनेट क्लासेस। पीएचडी एडमिशन नोटिस को लेकर आ गए हैं 2021-22 नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फूड टेक्नोलॉजी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एंड मैनेजमेंट से। ओके, एरियाज ऑफ रिसर्च: एग्रीकल्चर एंड एनवायरमेंटल साइंस, बेसिक एंड अप्लाइड साइंसेस, फूड इंजीनियरिंग, फूड बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट, food science and technology. Selection process: eligibility criteria: MTech or master degree in a relevant discipline with at least 55% of marks, with a relaxation of 5% for the reservation category, and candidates can apply only in one department. Okay. For the Department of Agriculture and Environment Sciences, essential qualification is MTech in Food Science or Food Technology and Management, or Food Safety and Quality Management, or Food Process Engineering and Management, or Food Supply Chain Management, or Biotechnology or Biochemical Engineering, or Nanotechnology or Post Harvest Technology, or Food Engineering or Process and Food Engineering, or Environmental Engineering or Environmental Management and Allied Disciplines, or MSc degree in Food Science and Technology, Food and Nutrition, Biochemistry, Microbiology, Biotechnology, Life Sciences, Agriculture Science, Horticulture, Post-Harvest Management, Post-Harvest Technology, Cold Chain Management, Environmental Sciences and Allied Areas from recognized institute or university. बेसिक एंड अप्लाइड साइंस के लिए एमटेक इन फूड साइंस, फूड टेक्नोलॉजी एंड मैनेजमेंट, फूड टेक्नोलॉजी, डेयरी एंड फूड टेक्नोलॉजी, प्रोसेस इंजीनियरिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट, फूड बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, फूड सेफ्टी एंड क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट, फूड सप्लाई chain management from a recognized university or institute. In addition, or master's degree in food science and technology, or biochemistry or microbiology, or chemistry or biotechnology, or food biotechnology, or food and nutrition, life science, agriculture science, environmental science, mathematics, statistics, operational research, physics, materials science from a recognized institute or university. फूड बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट के लिए MBA, PGDBM ऑल एरियाज 2 years प्रोग्राम, MCOM, CA, ICWA, MTech, operations, food plant operations or industrial engineering or its equivalent from a recognized institute or university, and food engineering के लिए MTech in food technology and management, or food process engineering and management, or food technology, food process engineering, food engineering, dairy technology, agriculture and food engineering, mechanical engineering, automation and robotics engineering, chemical engineering, biochemical engineering, food and bioprocess engineering, dairy and food engineering, post-harvest process and food engineering and management, or food technology and management, or farm machinery and power engineering. फूड साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी के लिए एमटेक फूड साइंस और फूड टेक्नोलॉजी एंड मैनेजमेंट, फूड सेफ्टी एंड क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट, फूड सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट, फूड मैनेजमेंट technology, or food process engineering, or food process engineering and management, or food engineering, dairy technology, agriculture process engineering, agriculture and food engineering, food and fermentation or MTech in food and bioprocess engineering, process and food engineering, nanoscience and technology, biochemical engineering from a recognized university or institute. In addition, master's degree in food technology or food science and technology, or nutritional biochemistry, or food science and nutrition, or clinical nutrition, community sciences and dietetics, toxicology, veterinary, pharmacology and toxicology, nanotechnology or nanoscience and technology or meat science or meat technology, animal product technology or livestock product technology are eligible for admission. Candidate may be required to go deficiency courses as per requirement. Okay, relaxation of 5% of marks from 55 to 50% shall be allowed for the candidates belonging to SC, ST, OBC or different abled category. Okay, selection and mode of program: candidates who have qualified UGC NET including GRF or UGC or CSIR NET including GRF and ICAR NET or including GRF or SRF or other GRF holding candidates, okay, shall be exempted from the rate, that is the research entrance test. Other candidates opting for part-time will have to appear for rate. An entrance test shall be qualifying marks as 50%. A relaxation of 5% marks from 50 to 45 shall be allowed for the candidates belonging to SC, ST, OBC or differently abled category in the entrance examination conducted by the universities. JRF or SRF candidates already working in the externally funded projects of the NIFTM can be enrolled as PhD students provided they qualify, rate and interview. Such candidates will get fellowship or JRF from the projects till the end of the project. After project is finished, such candidates will get NIFTM PhD fellowship provided he or she has secured NIFTM PhD fellowship at the time of admission 2021, as well as it will be as per NIFTM PhD regulations. Okay. Due to prevailing COVID-19 circumstances, rate and interview to be conducted by NIFTM either online or offline. Details to be uploaded on NIFTM website. Both NET and NET JRF qualified and rate qualified candidates will appear for interview or presentation, where the candidates would be required to discuss their research areas or interest before the interview panel. You know that. And for selection of candidates, a weightage of 70% of to the entrance test and 30% to the performance in the interview or viva voice shall be given. Okay, and candidates holding fellowship appearing directly for interview, marks obtained out of 30 to be first converted to 100 and then normalized of scores for both type of candidates, that is fellowship holders and non-fellowship holders, will be done before preparing final merit list. Separate department wise or subject specific merit lists will be prepared. ठीक है. Seats and fellowships PhD seats under full time and part time mode for the academic session of 2021 and 22 are given below. Only 3 candidates per department will get NIFTM PhD fellowship based on merit for the year 2021-22. Candidates who will be pursuing in part-time mode will not get NIFTM PhD fellowship, and fellowship would be extended beyond third years as per NIFTM PhD regulations. So number of seats total 33 है. ठीक है, PDF को एक बार देख लेना, डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे इसका लिंक मिल जाएगा आप लोगों को. ठीक है. Rate syllabus and interview UG marks 2 and PG में 3, 100% के अंदर 2 and 3%, fellowship 8, publications 2 and interview में 15. So tentative dates for PhD admission: submission of online application form 2 जुलाई से स्टार्ट हो गए हैं and लास्ट डेट है 8 अगस्त तक. ठीक है. अनाउंसमेंट ऑफ लिस्ट ऑफ एलिजिबल और शॉर्ट लिस्टेड कैंडिडेट्स 18th August, and announcement of list of eligible or shortlisted candidates for rate also 18th August. Rate online or offline mode में 25th August and declaration of rate result 30th August. Interview for PhD candidates 31st August to 3rd September तक, and announcement of final merit list for PhD candidates 14th September. Counseling for PhD 16th सितंबर से लेकर 23 सितंबर एंड फाइनल लिस्ट ऑफ प्रोविजनली सिलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट्स विल बी डिक्लेयर्ड ऑन 27 सितंबर। ठीक है, तो इसका जो ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे आप लोगों को मिल जाएगी। एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।